Hi, my name is Wanda Podlasińska, and today I'll show you how to export your photos for your proof gallery for your clients. And we're going to do it without the use of any of those paid apps. And this is exactly how I do that. I don't use any of those paid apps. I just export from my Lightroom with the watermark that says proof gallery all over the photo. And then I use my Google Disk to send it to my clients. And also there will be, I will show you how to make it easier for you to then connect those files from the proof gallery to your files in Lightroom. And now we're going to go straight to Lightroom. I have those photos here. And what I'm going to do first, let's say this is my proof gallery and this is what I want to send to my clients and ask them, hey, which photos would you like me to edit? And I'm going to select all of the photos. So I'm going to click Command and A. So now it's going to select all the files. And I'm going to go to File and Export. And now we'll set some things here. Just follow me. We'll set it up once and you will just do it once and then you will save the presets so you don't have to do it every time. I'm going to start with my social media preset actually because it'll be much easier for me. Export location, we'll choose that later and I prefer you do it this way because that's great for presets as you don't really want to have all the files going to one folder. You want to choose a different folder for every session, right? We're going to go to file naming and here where it says rename to, we're going to go down here, custom text. Well, let's change that to proof gallery. And then we're going to go to edit. I would put sequence number first here. So let's put sequence number / file name / and then in between you may add business name. That would be a great idea to add your business name there so people would know, or maybe your contact information, maybe your website. And I click done over here and I'm gonna slide down. We're gonna set the format to JPEG, color space to sRGB. We may limit down the quality of the file to 80. And then we'll click the resize to fit option and change that to have the long edge be maybe maximum 600 pixels. We can edit for screen. We don't really have to sharpen right now because this is not the final file in any way, but well, it depends on you. You can sharpen it, you don't really have to. And then an important thing here is to set a watermark. So we're gonna go down here and edit watermarks. I have a lot of watermarks already. And we're gonna go to text over here. And we have this box where we can type in any text we want. And what you want to do here is maybe add something like proof gallery. And then maybe you want to add your business name. And then we're going to copy that and repeat that many times so it kind of goes all over the photo. And we're going to set the align option to make the text center the image, and we're going to go down here where it says anchor, and we're going to also center the text. And then we're going to make sure that the opacity is around 10, because if it's more visible, then it's just it's going to be difficult for the client to choose the right photos. 10 to 15 is a good choice. And I'm going to save here, and you want to make sure that you save this preset under a name that makes sense. And then in the end, we're going to click add over here, and again we're going to name that proof gallery. And now whenever I want to export and show my clients the photos to choose from, I will click that proof gallery. I can click export. Now it's going to ask me where should it be saved. So I'm going to create a folder for that on my disk, and I'm going to click open here. Right now it's exporting the photos, and here in Lightroom I can see the numbers. So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the client will get files number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I can ask now the client just open this file. You will see the photos looking like that. So they will have that proof gallery all over the photo, but still it's pretty visible. Then you're going to just ask them to send you the numbers. So they can tell you that we want number 2, 3, and 6. And then you would go back to Lightroom and you will know that 2, say 3 and 6 are the images that they wanted. That may save you some money. You don't really have to use all those apps, and you can easily find the files that your client chose in your Lightroom. Plus, you can add a watermark that says whatever you want. Plus, you can actually have your name printed on it. So whenever someone sees the files that were not paid, they would know who provided those files. So I hope that you like it, and let me know what you want me to record in next videos down in the comments below. Tell me how you export your photos and how you send it to your clients. I'm very curious to know. And yeah, and I will see you also on my social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and also on my website, iwonapodlasiecka.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!